grand mass gathering has been organized by EFSU, NDFB and PAJ, CBM, and this is the high time that the mass movement, we are going to warn the government of India, and we are asserting for the immediate solution of the creation of separate state of Bodoland, and along with that we want to ensure the political rights of the Bodos living outside the proposed Bodoland, and also the long pending issues that has been accorded with the BTC Accord, the creation and granting of ST status to the Bodos living in the Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. And this is the time that we are pressing into the government of India that the ongoing parliament session, in the winter session of parliament, the government of India comes to a solution and the immediate resolution of the creation of separate state of Bodoland. And we are hopeful with the decision that has been taken by the government of India in regard to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, where they have bifurcated into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And in the very way, the power of the government of India, through the constitutional provision of Article 2 and 3, they have bifurcated Andhra Pradesh and created Telangana in the recent past. And this is the time we also want to bifurcate state of Assam and create new state, Bodoland, and carving out from Assam. And we are hopeful that this power of government of India at present, headed by the Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, will definitely pave one way to the long pending issues that has been under negotiation with the government of India and NDFB Progressive and the underground groups who are in ceasefire at present. And we are also asserting that such an amicable solution is immediately desired by the people, and this is the mass gathering and the mass democratic movement, and this is the time that we have the strength and we have the motion to show to the government of India that time and again, any time, we have the motion and we have the people that they are coming out towards the immediate resolution and demand in order to be quickly resolved. And we hope that in future we are not against the democratic forces, and therefore we will be pressing into the democratic mass movement again and again if the government doesn't come to a solution of immediate creation of Bodoland state. And we are demanding through this day, and again we remind the same issues that we have been pending with the government of India for the long time. And so we press these demands, and we hope that the entire fraternity of the Indian government and the entire communities in the Indian state that understands the political resolution and political problems of this region, and to bring an amicable solution immediately with the force of the parliament and with the democratic decisions of the parliament.